I'm Jay Heath.
And I'm Denise Heath, broker associate with eXp Realty, and we are so excited to present this beautiful turnkey furnished pool and spa home in the gated community, Harbor West.
This stunning property offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort,
making it not only an ideal place to live, but a perfect vacation rental. This corner lot home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nearly 1,700 square feet under air, and water views from nearly every room.
This lovely home is tastefully decorated, beautifully furnished, and attractively priced below $540,000. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. For more information, call me, Jay Heath, at 302-388-1911.
Or Denise, 941-525-2250.
See you real soon.